Hello everyone. Let's learn A to Z alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. F is for flower. Flower. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for horse. Horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kick. Kick. L is for lollipop. Lollipop. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for numbers. Numbers. O is for orange. Orange. P is for popcorn. Popcorn. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for scientist. Scientist. T is for tooth fairy. Tooth fairy. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vampire. Vampire. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for X-ray. X, X, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zip. Zip. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Good work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.